This week, Qlik has announced some changes in their Qlik Cloud reporting services. If you don't know already, these services allow users and developers to create and share reports in Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF formats to another users who doesn't need to have a license, so this is shared via email, okay? So this is very good because it will cut down the licensing costs a lot, you know? So let's see some of those changes. We can see here that the current limit for reporting is only 100, but now with this change we can deliver up to 1000 reports, and on other versions of Premium we can deliver up to 5000, and on Qlik Cloud Analytics Enterprise we can deliver up to 25,000 reports. So this is a nice addition, Qlik. Thanks a lot. And on another news, Qlik has announced that regarding the Qlik Sense Enterprise updates, there will be only 2 major releases as of this year. So beginning in May 2024, we will only have 2 major updates. There will be on May and November. And in my opinion, this is very good, because it is kinda hard to keep track of all the updates in the enterprise environment. Well guys, that was it for today's Qlik News. I hope that you have liked it. So please leave me a like below and subscribe to my channel if you are not, and I will see you on the next video. Zapparoli, out!